Shipping reference page. Choose to ship to yourself or directly to the customer. Enter customer address. Required fields marked. 2. Delivery options. Next day pre 12 p.m., Monday through Thursday, or Saturday delivery. Orders for 2-day delivery must be placed by 4:30 p.m., Monday through Thursday. Friday orders may arrive Monday. 3. Shipping charges. Charges depend on location, UK, Ireland, and package weight. Contact the e-commerce team or account manager for details. 4. Order summary. Review product details, quantities, and prices. 5. Payment options. Enter a mandatory PO number. Choose credit card or payment on account, if available. 6. Review and place order. Review subtotal, shipping costs, tax, and total. Confirm details and click place order. Receive an order number via email, with tracking available in My Account.